you've made it this far, then you definitely feel confident enough to make your own designs. If not, go back through the tutorials and become one with the stick. Now, let's begin. All of these stick bombs rely on elastic potential energy. Whoa, big word. Elastic potential energy is basically the stored energy when you bend the sticks. The way to bend a stick in one of these bombs is to have 3 or more points of contact. For example, in this contraption, you can see that all of the sticks have tension. This goes over, over, and under, over, under. So if one of the sticks slips, it all falls apart. Tension like this exists in all of the stick bombs. So if you want to make your own, remember to keep the sticks bent. Another piece of advice would be to make one that works and try to add on to it or rotate the sticks around. Thank you so much for watching, and congratulations! Now you know how to make your own stick bombs. Subscribe so you can see more projects, and I will see you next time.